In this video, I'm going to show the first step in getting your EIP program downloaded and ready for use. This requires both installation and activation of the modules you have purchased. So if you haven't done so already, on our web page, go to the purchase sheet and enter shopping cart. Select energy calculators for HVAC contractors, and you will see a number of modules that we have available in different combinations. So let's pick the ventilation calculator, including the envelope mechanical simple trade-off analysis calculator. So when you purchase this module, right away you will receive a email that will give you a link where you can download a sheet that has your activation codes. You will need this to get your EIP module activated and running. You won't be receiving the Engineer in a Pocket installer immediately, but within 24 hours we will email you with an Excel, a macro-enabled Excel file with the installer. So look for an email from us with your installer. So let's open that up. And this is what you're going to see when you open your installer. You won't be able to run this from an email. You will need to save it to your computer. So let's save it to our desktop. And go to the desktop, and this is true with all our calculators, that when you see a prompt to enable the content, you will need to enable the macros in Excel. That will make it so all our calculations will run. So in the installer, click Install EIP, and it doesn't take very long. It downloads the files from our site, and in a few seconds you will see the EIP home project information sheet on our software. Whenever you open a file named EIP template, you will be prompted to save a new name before starting your project. This is good practice to always save a fresh version to a new name, or keep the original version, and then your projects, always save them to a different name. So let's skip that for the moment. When the very first time you use the EIP, you will need to activate the modules that you have purchased. So we purchased the ventilation module. So here is where you would put the PIN number, and you will also need to put your activation code in. And you notice when we entered those, the tabs for the ventilation module showed up at the bottom of the sheet. Now, if you've purchased the module, you will never have to do this again. If you're using the fully functional trial version, you will need to go through the activation process every time you open. Let's show that again for the STAM. And notice the sheet for the STAM showed up. So thank you for using the EIP, and we look forward to hearing from you.